You need just 3 ingredients to make this fabulous taste. I am Neha Mathur on today's episode of T&L Taste, and I am going to share with you all one of my favorite recipes, and that is Oreo Milkshake. ये बहुत ही फटाफट just 3 ingredients से ये shake बन जाता है. So come, let's see how to make it. To start with, I line my glass with some chocolate syrup, and I'll keep it in the refrigerator for some time. Now take a blender, crush some Oreo cookies into it. I'm making 1 glass, so I'm just crushing 4 cookies here. Now add a cup of milk to the jar and some vanilla ice cream. Now I'll just blend this all and our Oreo milkshake will be ready. I have blended everything well, and now let's pour it into the glass. The glass is perfectly chilled, and now let's pour our ready Oreo milkshake into it. I'll garnish the shake with a Oreo cookie and some crushed cookies on top as well. You can also top it with some whipped cream if you have some. And this shake is perfectly ready to serve. Do try this recipe at home and tell us how you liked it. Cheers!